So bring your legs out forward, hip width apart, feet flat on the floor, hands forward, tuck that chin in, and slowly roll down with control. Perfect. Now bring your hands together, elbows wide. I don't want to see them come in, I want them in a straight line. And all you're going to do is twist 1, 2, 3, 4, and back down. 2, 3, 4. As you can see, you are working your obliques and your abs all at the same time. And yes, it is difficult, but it's fun. Now, if that's craziness for you guys, what you can do is you can simply grab onto the back of your legs, come up, don't even worry about that twist, and come right back down. Or if you want to, cut it in half, you can always just do the twist by itself as you build up that strength. All right, now you're gonna wanna try 10 of these, all right, because that's a lot of twists. That's 10 up and down, and you will feel your abs, and it's gonna be awesome. Have fun.